Welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making delicious spinach soup. Let's get cooking. To start, heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in a pot over medium heat. Next, add some diced onions and 4 cloves of garlic. Then, sauté for about 15 minutes or until everything is soft and fragrant. Once they're nice and soft, add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir until everything's well combined. Once the flour has thickened up a bit, toss in 1 pound of fresh spinach and let it wilt down. Next, gently pour in 2½ cups of heavy cream, stirring as you go until it's nice and smooth. Then slowly pour in 2 cups of chicken broth, stirring gently until it's all well combined. Next, add a pinch of black pepper to taste. Then add a bit of salt. Sprinkle in a touch of cayenne pepper. Finally, add a pinch of nutmeg. Now let it simmer for about 20 minutes to let all the flavors come together. Then, stir in ½ cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and creamy. Finally, let it simmer for another 10 minutes so everything finishes cooking and the soup is rich and flavorful. And there you have it, a creamy spinach soup that's sure to hit the spot. Thanks for cooking with me and see you next time on Simply Easy Cooking.